Okie dokie. Hello, Internet and the rest of the world. You're here with Walk Around Ralph Day. We're in a beautiful town, beautiful downtown Seminole, Texas. This place was founded quite some time ago. It's the county seat of Gaines County, Texas. It's been populated in 1950, especially by Mennonites, who most of them came from Russia. And I guess there's a lot of a derivative of Russian spoke around here back then. But now it's mostly an oil and agricultural town, mostly oil. They do a lot of oil around here. It's a nice little town. We're here at their community center. We're gonna take a little walk around, see if we can find anything else. In the meantime, I got Gertrude out there doing my camera duties. I'll get her to go out and get a broader view of this. So come here, Gertrude, good girl. Okie dokie, Gertrude's going to do us a little broader view of the building here. Beautiful community center here. It's empty today. I guess they don't have anything going on. Gertrude's coming back, so we're going to head on downtown and see if we can find a park or something. Come here, baby. Okie dokie. Well, being a retired firefighter, I always try to find a fire station. I found one. This is Seminole's Fire Department. We'll get Gertrude to take a little broader look at it. Maybe walk around the front of it. Nobody's home right now, so come here, Gertrude. Good girl. Getting a little broader look at this beautiful fire station here in downtown Seminole. Gertrude's doing the camera duties today. She's been doing just fine. Come on back in here, Gertrude. Let's walk around the other side. Good girl. Okie dokie, and here's a broader look at the working side of the fire station. This is where all the actual work comes out of. Hopefully they don't make a run with me standing here, but if they do, we'll recover and go on. Come here, Gertrude, good girl. Okie dokie, we're still here in beautiful downtown Seminole at the First Baptist Church of Seminole. We've gotten Catholic and Methodist churches on here before. We just saw this one, thought it was a nice church. Thought I'd get some shots of it. We get a little broader view of the sign and then move to the front of the church. So come here, Gertrude. Okie dokie, Gertrude's going to give us a little bit broader view of the area, and mainly the sign. From here we'll move around to the side or the front of the church and take a look at it. Seminole's a pretty nice little town, 6,400 people. Everybody's been friendly so far. Come back here, Gertrude. Okie dokie, we're going to get a little broader view of their 100th anniversary sign here. It looks like they celebrated 100 years in October 8th. 2006 here at the Baptist Church in beautiful downtown Seminole, Texas. Come here, Gertrude. Good job, girl.